In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Steam on your Mac. Now, unfortunately, Steam isn't available in the App Store, so we're going to have to head over to an internet browser and download it from here. So just open up any internet browser. I'm going to be using Safari for this example. And in the search box, just type in download Steam and hit enter. Then head over to this top search result, this store.steampowered.com. And the first thing you need to do is make sure you're logged into your account. So click on the login button in the top right hand side of the screen and then go ahead and sign in with your account details. So if you don't have an account, you can always create one, but I'm just going to log into my already existing account. And once you're logged in to the Steam website, you just need to click on Install Steam in the top right hand side. This will take you to this page here, and once again just click on Install Steam. And if you get this security message pop up, click on Allow. Now once that's finished downloading, come over to the Downloads folder and click on steam.dmg. That's going to go ahead and open up this window here, and all you simply need to do is drag the Steam application over to Applications like so. And once you've dragged that in Applications, we need to head over to the Launchpad in the navigation menu, and you should find Steam now in this list. If you can't see it in the list, you can always search for it like so, and then just click on Steam. Are you sure you want to open Steam? Click on Open, and it's probably going to have an update ready for you to download, so you just need to wait for this to finish updating. And finally, just like that, we've now installed Steam onto our device, so you can go ahead and sign into your account, and then you'll be able to play your games. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.